You know that morning struggle? You toss in your fruit, your greens, hit the switch, and it just whines. A dull, buzzing protest as your smoothie churns into a lumpy, half-blended mess. Or worse, the whole cheap contraption starts dancing across the counter, threatening to just quit on you. It's a waste of good ingredients, a frustrating start to the day, and a drain on your patience. If you're tired of that chaotic kitchen scene, if you're someone who demands actual smoothness, who craves a perfectly emulsified sauce, or an ice-cold, cloud-like milkshake, then listen up. This isn't for the casual blender who's fine with a few chunks. This is for the person who respects their time, their health, and their taste buds. This is for the one who wants a workhorse that also looks like a piece of art on their counter. See, the secret here isn't just raw power, it's intelligent engineering. This machine doesn't just spin, it commands a liquid ballet with its proprietary 45-degree diagonal drive. It pulls every single ingredient down into the vortex, ensuring no stray ice shard, no stubborn piece of fruit escapes its grasp. Think of it less like a blender and more like a precision architect for your beverages and purees. The motor hums with controlled authority, offering 10 distinct speeds and a pulse that can go from a gentle ripple for delicate sauces to a roaring torrent that pulverizes ice into a fine mist. And when you drop on that container, it snaps into place with a satisfying solid click. No guesswork, no wobbles. The container itself feels different too. It's not that cheap, cloudy plastic that scratches the first week, nor is it cumbersome glass. This is Triton, lighter than glass, incredibly tough, and crystal clear. It just screams durability. Now let's be real for a second. This isn't a tiny minimalist gadget that disappears into a drawer. It's got a presence, a serious piece of kit that earns its spot on your counter. But that's because it's built to perform, to last, and to look damn good doing it. It's engineered in Japan, a place synonymous with precision, and you feel that in every smooth operation. And when you're done, cleanup is genuinely a breeze. A quick rinse, a drop of soap, or pop it in the dishwasher. No wrestling with sticky corners or unreachable nooks. This isn't just about blending, it's about elevating your entire kitchen experience. It's about confidence, consistency, and the sheer joy of creating something perfectly smooth every single time. It takes the guesswork and the frustration out of your morning routine and your culinary adventures, turning them into moments of effortless precision. I put the link below so you can check the current price.